die in this hole, quite honestly. What the hell is this thing? Literally gonna die. There we go. All right.
You won't die now.
I hope not. We're like vaguely on the screen. And it looks like this may actually record it for us too, so.
What's that?
The live stream that I found. I just have to like set it up. Oh, man.
Yeah, sorry. I was just plugging through. Do you wanna do you wanna go through everything, or do you wanna do like a sort of a pick the ones we're most concerned about?
Let's do that, especially until Tommy gets here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do we get anything?
I think
the only thing that we weren't sure is these two.
Yeah. Which.
I mean, this one's really easy.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, like that. That one we can definitely stick in there, I think. The other one's harder.
Yeah, you and I got it at the very end.
Yeah.
That one time, but.
So, I mean, we'll see how we feel about it.
Yeah.
All right. So, what are you most concerned about that we can do?
I think I've got. It was Love That Laid Us Low for the most part.
Yeah.
I think the transitions could be a little rocky, so maybe we should
Let's
do that one.
Sure.
Free Falling's totally cool.
Yeah.
Hey You and Tommy are. Totally
Yeah, Tommy has the lead on that, so.
Yeah. And I don't think Tommy's as familiar with that one, and I think I know it better at this point.
I think so too. But he'll follow you. He's good at that.
Yeah. And he's obviously a genius.
I don't know why he's not a musician.
Yeah,
I know, but that's fine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep bothering him about that as long as he lives.
Yeah. I don't know Upward Over the Mountain, but it was super easy.
Yeah.
And I don't feel worried about that in the least.
Yeah, I don't think that's a big deal.
We can do the boxer.
I think we should go through it because of that sticky part in the middle.
Okay.
How do I keep my computer from going to sleep? That's the problem I'll have to solve. My husband, that's how. I'll be like, don't let this go to sleep.
Yep. Yeah, okay, cool.
Oh, so you got the chords for that too.
Yeah.
I think we might do it in a different key than that is, but I think Tommy just...
Oh, yeah, we just capoed it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, to A.
Yeah, because it's so low.
It is quite low. Yeah, so we want to do Dry the River. And
yeah, let's do that first.
Yeah.
I dreamt of a rush.
It comes out in the minor.
Oh, it comes out in the minor, okay.
I think so.
I think you're right.
So, yeah, I'll just play.
Okay. I dreamt of a Russian doll bride who spun on the points of her feet like a child. But I had the terminal pride of an older man. There's a Passover cross on the post, but the angel descends in the shape of a crow. Buries its beak in our unfused bones like it's okay. Like a moth goes sad and soft in the streetlight's umbilical glow. It was love that laid us low. I worked out of town after dark with apocryphal men in a cold weather mask. I guess she did best to depart in the dark night of her soul. By nature you're mild and you're meek, but they say that you're judged by the company you keep. Merrily spitting up salt when you speak like it's okay. Moth goes sad and soft in the streetlight's umbilical glow. Like a pilgrim father kneels in a land where his God doesn't go. Like every seed in the sycamore tree will turn its back on its home. It was love that laid us low. It was love that laid us low. Yeah.
I'm gonna stop this.